Hello students, today we will do NCERT Maths Lesson 9 How Many Times Part 2. Now students, you have learnt multiplying one digit number with a one digit number in your second standard. Now we will learn how to multiply a two digit number with a one digit number. Now 2 toffees were given to each student in the class. If there were 34 students, how many toffees were given in all? Now how many total students are there? 34, and each student is getting 2 toffees. So total number of toffees will be 34 multiplied with 2. Right? Now children, here he has explained you in detail, but I will explain you in short. Now children, you know how to write in expansion form. Now 34 we can write as 30 plus 4. So in these columns you have to write 30 and 4 in the horizontal columns. Okay? Then and in the vertical column you have to write 2. With 2 you have to multiply 34. So 2 in the vertical column and 30 and 4 in the horizontal column. Now you multiply 2 with 30. So you will get 60. Then 2 and 4 you have to multiply, you will get 8. So your answer will be 34 multiplied with 2, you have to add 60 and 8. So you will get 68. Your answer will be 68. This method, stepwise, he has explained you in the textbook. You go through it. Now, then children, the vertical method which you are supposed to follow in your higher classes, you have to learn that also. So 34 multiplied with 2, I will tell you how to do. I will explain you. Now you have to write in vertical form as shown in the screen, as shown on the screen. Now 34 multiplied with 2. Now first you have to multiply ones. So in 34, which is the number in the ones place, 4, and in the second row it is 2. Only one digit is there. So 2 4s are 8. Then go to tens place. 2 3s are 6. So your answer will be 68. It is very easy. Right? Now, one more example is there. In a picnic, 4 fruits were given to every student. The number of students was 23. So, find out the total number of fruits given. So, number of students in the picnic is 23 and fruits given to each student is 4. So total number of fruits will be 23 multiplied with 4. Now you just go through. 23 he has written as 20 and 3. And 4 he has written in the vertical column. And 20 multiplied by 4 you will get 80. 4 multiplied with 3 you will get 12. Then you have to add 80 and 12. You will get 92. So your answer will be 92. Next, practice time. Now these sums you have to practice. Okay. Then first guess the answer and then calculate. Now here are some word problems. A flower has 5 petals. A bunch of flowers has 13 flowers. Now one flower has how many petals? 5 petals. And how many flowers are there? 13 flowers. So total how many petals will be there? 13 multiplied with 5. So you have to do the multiplication. Don't forget to write the statements. So remaining problems we have given you in the notes, so you have to try also. Okay. Next, how many in 23 dozen? Now many things are sold by the dozen. For example, bangles and bananas are often sold by the dozen. Now how many units will be there in a dozen, or how many things will be there in a dozen? 12. So 1 dozen bananas means 12 bananas, right? So in 23 dozen, how many bananas will be there? 23 multiplied with 12. But children, here you have to multiply 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. So how will you do? Again I will explain you how to multiply. Now again 23 you can write as 20 and 3. So write in the vertical column, horizontal column. And 12 you have to write in the vertical column as 10 and 2, as I have written. Now you have to multiply. 20 multiplied with 10, you will get 200. You can write 10 into 20 also. Then 10 into 3, you will get 30. Then 2 into 20, you will get 40. And 2 into 3, you will get 6. Now after multiplying all these 4, you have to add all of them. That is 23 multiplied with 12 is 200 plus 40 plus 30 plus 6. That is 276. Right? Then second method also you have to learn. Now children, you write 23 and 12 as I have shown on the screen. So in the vertical form you have to learn the multiplication. So pay attention and understand it. 23 multiplied with 12. Now as I told you, you have to first multiply the ones. So in 23, 3 is in the ones place, and in 12, 2 is in the ones place. So from 2 you have to start the multiplication. Now 2, first forget 1 and multiply with 2 as we have done in 1-digit number. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now come to the next number, that is with 1 you have to multiply, but 1 is in tens place. So put 1 0 below 6. In 10 you have 1 0. So below 6 you have to put 1 0 and then you have to multiply with 1. So 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Now you have to add 46 and 230. So you will get 276. So your answer will be 276. Now one more example I want to show you. 64 multiplied with 15. So write 64, below it write 15 and put multiplication sign. Now as I told you, you have to start with the ones place. So 5 is in the ones place. So start multiplying. 5 4s are 20, but 20 you cannot write directly. So put 2 as कैरिंग. एडिशन में किया है ना, कैरी करते हो ना, वैसे यहाँ पर भी 2 आपको नेक्स्ट नंबर पे कैरी करना है. सो 6 के ऊपर आप कैरी करोगे 2 एंड you have to write 0 in the ones place. Then 5 6 are 30 and plus 2 carry किया है ना 2, उसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना. So you have to write 32 here. Then come to the next number, that is 1, and multiply 1 4s. You have to put 0, don't forget to put 0. ठीक है, 1 is in tens place, so you have to put 1 0, then you multiply with 1. 1 fours are 4, 1 6 are 6. So again you add 320 plus 6 40. So you will get 960. So your answer will be 960. Now one more example is given there. 43 multiplied with 13. So 43 you will write as 40 and 3, 13 as 10 and 3. Then you have to multiply. That is 40 into 10, that is 400. 3 into 10, that is 30. 40 into 3, that is 120. And 3 into 3, that is 9. And you have to add all those 4 numbers. The answer will be 559. Now practice time. Now these sums you have to solve it, and we will give you in the notes. Next, multiplication pattern. Now table of 9, multiplication table of 9 is given there. Now can you see some pattern there? Now 9 2s are 18. That is, if you add 18, 1 plus 8, if you add the digits, you are getting 9. Then 27, if you add 2 plus 7, you are getting 9. So you see the pattern. If you add them, you are getting 9. Okay. Now complete the grade by multiplying the numbers. So here you have to multiply and complete the tables. Okay, you can do. You know the table of 4. So you have to multiply 4 with all the numbers in the horizontal column, and you have to fill up for other numbers also. Next, look at the cross in your grade. Now one cross is given. Add the numbers together from top to bottom. That is 3 plus 6 plus 9, you are getting 18. Again from left to right, 4 plus 6 plus 8, you are getting 18. So the total is the same. Now you have to make some crosses and check them. Okay? Then mark the numbers 1 to 10 in the same grid in one color. So he is asking you to color the numbers. 1 to 10 you can color with the same color, and 12 to 20 you can color. Then 21 to 30 you can use some other color. Okay, and if you see any pattern, you have to mention there, and then fill this space with your favorite multiplication table. So your multiplication table you can fill